Alright, what's up, fam? So back at the house right now, about to just check on it. Yesterday they should have started the demo process, so I'm just coming to see where they are with that. I think I already told you guys this process should take about a month. So yeah, it looks like they also started cleaning out that house over there as well. So looks like some work been getting done over there. It's interesting. All right, so let's see where we are, guys. They locked the door. Sometimes contractors and people don't lock the door, so y'all make sure y'all check that too, because that can be an issue, especially when you start getting material in here. That can be an issue and people can steal stuff. So look at there. So this is where we are so far with the demo process. About to get the windows taken out. I'm about to actually order the windows. I should record that part. I'm gonna order the windows coming up. They got the lights taken out. Got those windows prepped. Again, we taking out that wall, and then we are taking this wall down as well. I think I might have mentioned that. And so this is the start. What are these? Like little bombs or something? So getting the floor up. We got the kitchen sink out of here. Just getting this ready. This is what it looks like so far. Just looking here, bathroom getting prepped. It's crazy, y'all. Got this room getting prepped. That's what the bathroom looks like. Took the mirror off. All right, y'all, we getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Look at there. Moving pretty fast. Let's see what's going on in this room right here. Yep. Just getting everything prepped. Doorknobs all off. All right. I don't know where we're going with this. Let's see what's in the basement. I can tell they started working on the mold because it smelled different and it smells like some spray been down here. So yeah, they started working on the mold. See what's outside. Ooh, a lot of stuff back there outside. Let me go the other way, y'all. All right, so we couldn't get a dumpster back here because of the size of the space. So that's where all the stuff is at. So yeah, we couldn't get a dumpster back right up here because of this little hilly area, and then that's somebody else's yard over there, so we couldn't put it over there. So yeah, that's where we at with it, man. That's where we at with it. I'm excited about it, y'all. Looks good. I think it's like 3 o'clock right now. So they should have it took them from today, and the cabinets are down too. Just not realizing that. It took them from today and yesterday to work on this. So from today to yesterday, this has been the process. So yeah, I wonder what is this? It's like original wallpaper. It's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy, man. Interesting. We get a new ceiling fan too, y'all. I'm gonna have them change this out. We didn't talk about this, but what y'all think? Y'all think this look cool? It don't look too bad. I don't know if we should paint it. I don't know. I'm gonna ask them, what should we do? I think a whole new one will look fire, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, man. So just checking up, seeing what the process is, what the progress is, I mean. And yeah, hold on real quick, let me lock this door. You always got to just make sure that you check in on how things are going, man, so that way you know your timeline. Again, we're trying to get this ready in like a month. So, ouch, shoot. This should be like a month process of getting this ready. I want to go and check on the other side. Yeah, they definitely been doing work because look at here. They've been doing work on this other house because this wasn't down yesterday. I'm interested in buying this house, man. As I said, let me see. Yeah, they definitely put this out. All right, I thought we was gonna keep the tub, y'all, but it seemed like they put the tub seemed like they put the tub out here in the back. But I thought we was gonna keep the tub, so I wonder if something was wrong with it. Cause here it goes right here. Took all the blinds down. Yeah, and so the solution to this, let me tell y'all what the solution to this was. So we couldn't put the dumpster right up here. So the solution is my contractors have a truck, and so they're going to just load the stuff in a truck, and then the contractors are just going to take it. That's what the solution is for the dumpster. So they'll take it all out, they'll put it all back here, they'll take it from here, put it in their truck, and then they'll take the truck to the local dump, and then that's how they'll get charged for the dumpster. So getting somebody to have a truck, or if you have a truck, that'll be the solution to when you cannot fit a dumpster somewhere. So yeah, and then you also can reach out to somebody like on Facebook Marketplace. If you don't know nobody that got a truck, you can reach out to somebody on Facebook Marketplace. There are always people who haul junk and take it to the dump for you, so you can hire them to do it as well. So that's the option. I had to learn that. I just learned that. And then the other option outside of that is if you can get a state permit. You have to get a permit from the state, whatever state you in, to put the dumpster in the street or whatever like that. So even if it's in the alley, they might call that the street, but you have to get a permit for that as well. So that's pretty much it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the y'all let me know what y'all think. My bad, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the renovations. I think it's going good, man. I don't know what it is about this house, but like I feel super invested. You know what I'm saying? I feel super invested in this house. I'm excited about it. I'm excited to see what it turns out to be. I think it's a good, solid project. And yeah, I think it's the first of many. Yeah, I think it's the first of many, man. As always, man, if y'all want to learn more about this, man, we do got that $20 membership where I teach you guys what I'm doing in real estate. I also help you with different entrepreneur endeavors. Y'all can click that link in the bio down below. If you're new, if this is your first video, I had a video yesterday that I created around the start of this whole process. This is just a follow-up to that video, and then it's going to be like a series. So y'all going to see the full progress of the house day after day after day. And so make sure that you go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And so you can follow along with the journey and the process. And then, yeah, if you want to be interested in how you can do it yourself, man, tap into that $20 membership. Again, it teaches so much more than real estate. I can't even get into it. It teaches so much stuff. But tap into it, man. It's well worth it. Ain't nothing beating it. I'm going to keep it a buck. Ain't nothing beating it. But, yeah, with that being said, man, love you guys. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.